In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to view the results so you can move from an idea in your head to a visual you can use. First, open your browser and head to Perplexity AI. This is the home base where everything happens. You'll land on a clean page with a prominent prompt box similar to a search bar. That's where you'll interact with the AI to create your image. Next, click directly into the prompt area. Think of this as your canvas in text form. Perplexity can handle regular questions, but it also understands clear image requests. Signaling intent helps, so start with phrasing like create an image of, or generate an illustration showing, to point the model in the right direction. Now, type in your prompt. The more specific you are, the better your results. Describe the subject, the style, and the mood. For example, instead of a mountain, try a dramatic sunrise over snow-capped mountains, cinematic lighting, wide-angle view. Visual adjectives help a lot. Think lighting terms like soft, moody, or backlit, art styles such as watercolor, photorealistic, or isometric, and composition cues like close-up, aerial, or portrait orientation. If you have a preferred color palette or atmosphere, warm golden tones, neon cyberpunk glow, muted pastels, include that too. You can even add guidance to avoid elements you don't want by stating them plainly in the same sentence. Keep it concise but detailed enough to remove guesswork. When your prompt feels clear, click Submit or just press Enter. Perplexity will process your request and begin generating the output. Give it a moment. If you see text first, that's normal. The system is organizing the response and preparing the visual. If the result doesn't look quite right, remember that iterative wording is part of the creative process. Small adjustments like wider shot, sharper focus, or brighter colors can make a big difference on the next run. Once the result appears, look for the image highlight that Perplexity surfaces in the response. Click on that highlight to open it up. This expands the visual so you can see details more clearly and confirm it matches your intent. Use this view to evaluate the composition, color, and style. If it's close but not perfect, return to the prompt area and refine your description based on what you're seeing. That's the full flow. Visit Perplexity, click the prompt area, craft a clear description, submit, and then click the highlight to review the image. Practice a few variations and you'll quickly get a feel for how precise wording translates into stronger visuals.